Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names. They are farm animals and wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. First we will learn some wild animals. The first animal is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next animal is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. This is a lion. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next animal is a zebra. This is a zebra. The next animal is a panda. This is a panda. Let's learn some farm animals' name. The first animal is a deer. This is a deer. A rooster. This is a rooster.